Hello traders. Welcome to KP Technical. Price action slowly steadily building downside. If breaks 18,780 can short with stop loss of 40 point. Similar kind of pattern as formed in Nifty as price action building downside. If selling continues the go short and any buying can only be seen above 43,400. Stock was in downtrend and now formed higher low. Can go long with above 730 with stop loss of 4 points. After downfall in stock and today's selling seen after pullback, can short below 916 with stop loss of 5 to 6 points. Bearish engulfing candlestick patterns seen, can short below 93.5 with stop loss of 1 point. Stock trading near trendline resistance can give breakout, can go long above 1130 with stop loss of 7 to 8 points. Stock under selling pressure, can short below 339 with stop loss of 2 points. Previous support zone now acting as resistance. And bearish engulfing seen today, can short below 500 with stop loss of 3 points. For more stock market updates, subscribe KP Technical.